I did this design on this sleeve, and I thought to share the process. I had to be patient in the sewing process for me to get it to. Okay, so I just want to show you how I was able to do this. Okay, so I've started placing. I've placed two. I cut the sleeve open into two parts. That's from the center point. I took unfold. As it was unfold, I took ½ inch. So after opening, it will now be one. The distance will be one. When it is unfold and you cut open, you have when it unfold and you cut it, it's half. By the time you open, it will be one. So now this is the front side of the fabric. You place your cord facing this side. I made the distance to be 1 inch, so I'm going to sew. Cord is facing this point. Okay, so I place it on fold like this, 1.5, 1.5. Then I'm going to keep it on the 1 inch distance and sew. So I'll cut till I reach the end of it. Okay, so I've sewn it like this towards this end, facing the, it's resting on the main fabric. Okay, it's resting on the fabric. So now I'm going to turn. You can see I've already sewn it before. So I'm going to sew. Okay, so I'm going to turn it with this fabric like this. So I'll sew ½ inch to turn. Okay, so after turning it, you have this. So the facing is going to go to the back side. Going to go to the back side. You're going to have this. It comes like this. So this for the one side. Then for the other side, we're going to be cutting and fixing it inside these holes, inside this one, before we turn. Okay, so to do the other part, what we're going to do is that we're going to place like this. We are putting this rope inside this one already. Then we are going to bring it this side, that over. You have to flip it over. This one that you have done, you flip it over to the other side. Still up facing, that's the upper side of this one, rest on the upper side of this one, so that you can be able to sew it like this. The edge of the seam, that's this end. So you are flipping this one over and you place like this and you sew. So you keep cutting each, still cutting on 1.5 on fold. So I insert it inside this one and then place. I'll do 4 holes. It's coming out. this for the other one. Now I'm going to turn this place with this facing, so like this. So yeah, you have it. I'm just going to fold it down, then you join the up to the sleeve parts. Thank you. Okay, so you can weave this part. After weaving it, you use gum to iron it to lap. Then this is the front. Okay, so you may ask that how will you fix it to the bodies? The distance between this point is 2 inches. So on the shoulder, I took 1 inch from this midpoint. I took 1 inch to this side, then took 1 inch to this side. So when I'm placing it on the inside, and I'm putting the sleeve inside, I'm going to pin this edge, this one, to start from that 1 inch at this side. Then this part will start from the 1 inch on this side. Okay. Then when you finish sewing, like I did, those are it turned out to be for this side. So after weaving the cloth round, you can just use gum to iron this place, or you tack it down for the up.